Hello everyone. My name is Christian Paul Mayuga. I'm from the Philippines, from the Capiz State University, Dumaraw Satellite College. I am here as a student teacher in the UNESA. I'm currently teaching at the lab school, and hopefully in the future I will be a successful teacher and a successful international teacher. So what are the things that I've learned here in Indonesia? So first is I've learned the difference between the Islam and the Christianity on hand. So back in the Philippines, I have my ideas of what are the difference, but here I've learned it by what I see, by what I experience. I've also visited a lot of museums. I've learned a lot about the history of the Indonesia and Surabaya itself. I would also like to add that I've learned a lot of teaching methodologies here, such as how to use the technologies when it comes to teaching. And I would like to bring that back to the Philippines and teach it to my students, to teach it in my co-teachers, and of course, make the Philippines and the Indonesia uh, the same in nature when it comes to the teaching. So that's all. Thank you so much. Yeah.